children remember long time ago we made marshmallows. Link is mentioned here for those who haven't yet watched it. Our today's marshmallow recipe is a bit different to the previous one. This is a chocolate marshmallow. Ingredients are same as the previous one, but additionally we need chocolate for this. First you need to dissolve gelatin in lukewarm water. Set this aside until gelatin becomes active. Then in a pan, we can heat sugar and water. We need to heat this until string consistency. For those who doesn't know what the string consistency is, get some sugar syrup to your spoon and pour it down like this. If it falls down like a string, that's the consistency we want. When the sugar syrup is ready, add prepared gelatin into this. After that, pour it into a bowl and let this cool down around 6 to 7 minutes. First you need to beat the mixture at low speed. After a few minutes of beating, this becomes white and thick. At this time, set the speed to maximum and beat around 7 to 8 minutes more. Then combine melted chocolate into this. Now quickly transfer the mixture into a prepared greased pan and let it set around 1 hour. When marshmallow is set, we need to spread corn flour all over it. Before you start cutting, put some corn flour on your knife as well. Then you can easily cut it without marshmallows sticking on your knife. Before storing, make sure to roll each and every piece of marshmallow on corn flour. Otherwise, they all might stick together. Hope you enjoyed this chocolate marshmallow video. See you soon with another delicious one.